Well, good morning. Nick Collier here, and I think it's a Saturday morning. We had some rain yesterday. Everything is all calmed down now. And we're back to working on this metro project. This guy came in with, he wants me to make a couple of blocks for his front end. So we bored them out as you watched earlier today, or yesterday. And now what we need to do is come in and I'll show you the, let's see if we can get close enough so you can see it. Can you see it at all? Probably not. But anyhow, give it a try. This center hole wants to be exactly, whoops, yeah, it's this drawing. This center hole wants to be exactly 1.2500 with no plus or minus. So we're going to have to be fairly accurate with the tapered hole. And so that's what we've done now. We cut the tapers yesterday, and I cut them wide. So now I can come back, find my center, and recut this outside edge back to that exact measurement. So that said, I got the coax coax indicator in. And let's bring you in closer here. Come on. There we go. And basically what we're going to do is just start this up and find the exact center of that hole. And we'll do that right now. And we'll just keep bringing it in until it gets better. Oops, that's worse. There's better. And better's got to be somewhere. That's worse. There's better. That's better. We're getting right down to it now. Okay, I'm noticing my indicator is getting all wiggy on me. Oh, I didn't tighten the I didn't tighten the collet. Yeah, well, we need to do that for sure. Okay, now let's try it again. Oh, much better. So let's see if we can get that right down to, we're at about a half right now. Now he wants an exact 0. So we're sitting at about a quarter of a thousandth right there. I think I can live with that. Take the coax out. And we're sitting right at 0. Let's turn our DRO on. And we're zeroing out on both sides, X and Y. Then we're going to move over 1 250. 7, 8, 9, 1, 10, 230, 40, 50. Of course, now we have to, that's 250 right to the mark. So now what we have to do is put our bit in and figure out how big our bit is. And I think what we want to do is rough things out first. Then when we get down to the last little bit, we'll come back in and put a finish bit in and do a nice finish. Okay, let's take a measurement. I'm thinking it's 1 inch, but 7/8, I'm sorry. But let's make sure. And we are at 8.750. So then we want to add 432.5. So let's get this over ABS. No. Okay, add 425. Let's go back to 0. All right, there's 0. And we'll go to ABS, which is the final memory or the original memory where we want to go. And then we go to INC, which I can't remember what it means, but it means that it's a temporary measurement. So now we bring it out to 150, right? Yes, 150. One five oh. One two five oh. Okay. 1 2 5 0. All right, that's 1250. That looks like to me like it's landing just about right where we want it to land. We will now click that to back to 0. Now let's move it another. What did we have? What was our measurement? 8750. So 4 4 3 2 5. And that is going to be our cut line. And I'm just going to mark it real quick. So now what we'll do is just come back and find our we need to come up just a little bit. There we go. And we're off. Okay, so now we're down really close. So let's put a finish bit in there and then figure out what we've got to work with. Okay, we're going to go back to 0 and 8540. And we measured our bit, and it is 615 thousandths. So we're going to add 307. Yes. 1, 2, 3. Let's do 310, and we'll come back to 7. Let's see what we've got here. Okay, so we've got a complete project. The guy's going to come pick it up here in the next half hour, 45 minutes. Well, actually, any minute. And I just wanted to kind of go through this. The cutting of that taper was insane, but I got through it, and it turned out that I tested it in aluminum first, and when I transferred over to steel, somehow the cutter cut differently or something, and it really wouldn't work. So now we've got it. So I had to reset it. So now we've got a nice tight connection, and it sounds like my customer's coming right up the gate right now. And it's been a fun project. Hey, subscribe. And I've got 150 other videos of projects like this and other kinds of projects. Check me out. This is Nick Collier signing out for this one.